para sa graham. Of course, hindi mawawala yung mango. Gagamit lang tayong Alaska Evap, condense, at tatlong all-purpose. So, tara, samahan niyo ako gumawa para kay Aisin. Breakfast tayo guys, toasted. Habang gumagawa tayo ng graham.
Dahil may all access ka sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Jolam Edition .0.
Ang tamis-tamis guys ng mangga.
Yung mga yan, kung umasang sasama ako sa gagawin ko. Trivia. Weeknights, 11 p.m.
Natural.
How sweet it is to be loved by you. I needed the shelter of someone's arms. There you were. I needed someone to understand my ups and downs. There you were. With sweet love and devotion, deeply touching my emotion. I want to stop and thank you, baby. I want to stop and thank you, baby. Yes, I do. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Feels so fine. How sweet it is to be loved by you. I close my eyes at night, wondering where would I be without you in my life. Everything I did was just a bore. Everywhere I went, it seems I'd been there before. But you brighten up for me all of my days. With a love so sweet in so many ways. I wanna stop, thank you, baby. I just wanna stop and thank you, baby. Oh yes, how sweet it is to be loved by you. It's just like
So, gabi na, wala masyadong nandun. Napakita ko lang yung bahay, yung ayos ng bahay. So, dito ko na nilagay yung drawer. Ito pinaka-electric pa lang ko ng mga punta kasi hindi ko na siya denier kasi dalawa lang naman para matuyo siya. So, ilalagay ko yan sa IC, ito yung halaman. Ito pala yung ito yung mga luggage, inito na siya. Ito yung magiging bedsheet na IC mamaya. Lalagay ko yan doon. Ito pala yung outfitan natin bukas. So, yellow tops and pants na. So, bukas makikita nyo yan. And then, nalinis na ang floor. So, yun siya. So, yung bed mamaya ko na ipapakita. Bukas na kasi hindi pa siya maayos. Ayusin ko pa. Hi guys, good morning. So today, ngayon tayo susundo sa airport and marami pa kami kinakailangan ayusin sa bahay. So medyo nagmamadali kami. And yung bed na lang naman yung ayusin ko dito sa kwarto din sa labas. Tulungan ko si ma'am kasi meron pang mga konting gawain na. So ayan. Okay na yung bed niya. Handa ko na lang yung kanyang bungot and then mag-prepare na tayo. Love, this lipstick has the same color with my dress. Dali. This lipstick has the same
so
color.
Mediana.
I love you.
I love you too.
I'll see you later. We're going now.
See you later. Okay.
It feels like the first time.
I'm just as excited as you, my sweetheart.
I'm gonna because my husband might smell my kilikili. I guess.
Love.
I'm just kidding. Hi guys, ito nga pala yung aking outfit for today. Yan na.
Okay.
Love you.
I love you too.
So yes guys, we're going. This is my simple makeup outfit. May pa-ribbon and then pants lang. So mamaya itaas ko ito kasi paano yung pants. So mamaya itaas ko lang siya kasi maputik. So itaas natin. Itaas ko lang siya. Ayan, para at least hindi siya mapuputikan. So ganito lang. Yan. Maghugas ako mamaya dun sa labasan. So, we're on the way to pick up icing now on the airport and I will keep you updated, guys. See you! Hi, guys! On the way! Naka-tricycle na kami ngayon ni Papa. So, iwan lang namin to sa crossing. Tapos, commute lang kami. Nagbabakbak talaga, guys, yung aking mukha.
Nakuha ko ba yung ano doon? Sa'yo na yun.
Malapit na kami guys sa Legazpi. Naalis ko yung ano ko kasi nagbabakbak. Malapit na kami guys. Nagbabakbak kasi oh. Nakainis. Guys, just arrived at the airport. Naabangan ko yung flight ni IZ. Ay, buti na lang nauna kami. Wala ng aming biyahe. See you later, Mama. Abangan natin dito mamaya sa arrival gate si IZ. Si IZ. Excited ng person. Nagbabakbak guys yung ano ko. Ay, yung inano ko nga guys. Pero konti na lang. Dadatingan guys. Asa na kaya ang aming mag-aantay na ko guys.
The same old wall came back to life just when I got your call. I wished I could climb back the telephone line and give you what you want so you still
Yung mag-isa.
Welcome back to the Philippines!
As we reminisce on precious moments like this, I'm glad we're back together 'cause
Orderan lang natin guys si Izzy ng burger. Tapos i-take out lang namin para kainin niya sa taxi.
Yeah. Because eating in a car is never advised.
Should it later?
Maganda na oras na.
Arsenal burger.
Ay, saan? Ang alas 7, mama.
How's it?
It's good.
Good. That's good. I love you.
I love you always. Okay. Oh, now you don't want to let go. Okay, I see how it is. She's precious.
Aww.
She is super precious.
She loves you.
Hello.
You love him? You love him? Huh? Look at the she holds your hand.
Okay, I'm gonna let you go back to your mama now. Bye bye. There you go.
Every moment's magic. Feel